everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jammin' with Blues. I am back today. Today is day 6 of my Advent calendars, I guess is 2. Anyway, today we'll be showing socks, a pair of socks out of this one today. Okay, but first, as normal, we will start with Christy Cooks, what she had us do for today. So today, and it was very simple, it was really easy. It took like, and it was done. But I did it, okay? So let's start with day 6, came up in, it was in a roll, and it was this here, this piece of paper that had a templates of maker on it. And you to pick which one you wanted, and then to trace it on this thin paper here. Thin paper here. And that was it. That was it for day 6. That was our assignment for day 6. Also came with 2 pieces of cloth. This one looks like maybe a very light lavender, and then this green. So that was the project for today. So while that was very small and not much to do, well, let's get to the sock because I'll forget the sock. So the sock today is day 6, right? Here we go, right here. Day 6 in our, yeah, they do say women, so that's right, because I don't have a big foot, but I have a normal. I think most women's feet are between 7 and 8, and I should get bigger than that, you know. 7 and 8.5, I'll put it that way. Another red sock. Okay, so number 8. We are hitting red. I don't think there was anything in here that was not red. Do it say? No, it don't, but they were all red. I like Jack's better. Okay, this is what it looks pink from there. I can't see how you can see the difference. Okay, just stripes. Okay, just stripe. Now, and they're short little socks. That these you just wear around the house. You know, be comfortable. Like the Dabbling Hooks say. You know, this cute little. I'm not the exact words. Cute little booties that you wear around the house. Yeah. So far, everything has been red. That one. I don't think we did 4 here. I think we did 4. Anyway, that one. No, we did 4. Yeah, whatever. Let me not get confused. So that's what it looked like. So that's pretty much it. But what I did do is I did work in my junk journal because, so I really, that was page 1. And this one I add some lips on there, a sticker. Now, don't, this is my this is my thoughts here, basically. I assume that's what a junk journal is. So, I filled in what I started the other day. Now, this one here, basically, I put these, what do you call it, bedazzles or stones in their eyes because you want to see from the heart and not just the eyes. So that's why the stones are there. And then, like I told you, color is a thing now going on, it's always been, but it seemed to be such a problem with everything. But it's an outer layer. So if our eyes are covered and we look a little bit deeper, we can find that joy in people if it's in there. So up here I just put friends, put a little bow. Their eyes are covered. You got Mary down there, and then also it says your legacy. What type of legacy would you like to leave or to have, you know? One that you actually saw people for who they truly are. Wouldn't that be a merry holiday, a merry life? Okay? And then I just so happened to have found an old card that someone gave me. And look at that. Okay? Funny how these beings, human beings, and the dogs are beings because they're living. And, you know, I put their family. You know, they're like a little family. And their eyes are covered too. And at the top, I put special delivery. And I took the Christ off of Christmas and put it up here. And this one says try. You know, so it's like try. And over here is now upgrade. So basically, can you upgrade your life? Can you upgrade your thinking? You know, can you see beyond what your eyes are showing you and really look? If animals can do it at times, and they definitely don't have all that we have, we definitely can do it. So that's what this journal so far is turning to be, at least on these 2 pages. It still would be a wonderful gift, you know, for 2021 and the future. Anyway, that's what it is. So I like to thank you guys for coming. Come back tomorrow. Let's see what activities we have from Christy Cook. Christy Cook. Oh, wait a minute. I don't think I showed you this. And then I just put this up here from an old stamp. You know how you buy the stamps? That was last year. And I put that there. See what she have us do tomorrow and unveil another sock. Sending you guys many blessings and love. Have a wonderful day and take care of yourself.